Hello YouTube. This morning we're down by Lofty, but I'm on the north side of Interstate 81. I'm near the Lofty tunnel. Here's one of the old poles that used to carry wires. I didn't get to the tunnel yet, but I found this in the woods. This was interesting here. We got these holes here, and it looks like this was a tunnel to get the wires underneath the interstate. As you can see, there's you can see two big tubes running that way, right directly underneath the interstate. And I see what looks like wire here that somebody was pulling on. I don't know. Yeah, I guess this is how they got the wires across the interstate from underneath via these tubes. Pretty neat. So there's the pole up there. There's not much left of it, but I do want to make it down to the tunnel. I want to be on the north side of the tunnel. Yeah, there's still wire here. It's probably this wire is they used steel wire back then on these poles. It was a lot cheaper than running copper for sure. So yeah, that wire is useless as far as being salvageable for copper. You can't. It's only copper coated, if at all. But yeah, I want to get across to the tunnel, so I'll show you more in a bit. Okay, I see here's the remains of another pole. This one they chopped down. The tunnel should just be right over here, somewhere close. I'm guessing. Looks like there's wire here in the woods. I guess guy wire for the poles. Looks like an ATV trail through here. Yeah, somebody comes through here with an ATV, but a lot of trees have fallen over here. Where is this tunnel? Gotta be here somewhere. There's the remnants of another pole. So I'm definitely headed in the right direction. Got some metal here. I don't know what the heck that's for. Oh, I know what this was. There's wire here too. Yeah, there's wire here in the woods. This is one of those metal supports for the, there's more guy wire. Yeah, all kind of goodies in the woods here. So, the tunnel should just be right down over here, the north end. It's a little bit of a walk. Looks like somebody's been surveying here. I see a lot of pink tape. So somebody's been surveying this. For what reason, I don't know. I think this is the tunnel right here, straight ahead. But I gotta walk around all these laurels and stuff to get around to it. I should be basically right on top of it. A little slippery here. Let's see what we can find here. Whew, lots of laurels. Yo, it's like a freaking jungle. How am I going to get through this mess? Alright. Let me shut you off for now and I'll show you more in a bit. Whew. Well, I found a way through these laurels. Wow. Unbelievable. And here's some old poles here. So I'm almost there at the old railroad bed. So it's kind of hard walking in here. The leaves are all slippery and stuff, and you can see the poles there. Zoom in on that a little bit. Come on, zoom. There we go. not much left here. These leaves are so slippery. Wow. There's another guy wire. How the hell am I going to get down here? What a mess. Gotta watch I don't fall and get hurt here. Okay, I'm down. Yeah, as I said, years ago when this was still open, I drove through here. But I ain't doing that anymore. See, it's a hell of a party spot, huh? Oh, okay. Yeah, we got water. We got looks like an ATV trail here. Yeah, somebody comes through here with an ATV. Yeah, you see all the laurels. There was no way I was getting through that. Just like I said, trying to get through that stuff is impossible when it really grows thick like that. But yeah, here's the tunnel. It's all flooded. Step on this tree here. Here's the remains of an old, I guess it was a light stand. Yeah, let me see if I zoom in on the tunnel a little bit. So I am on the north side, so the sun's to my south. It's a little hard to see. It looks like somebody's been putting their graffiti on it. I thought there was a date on this side somewhere, but I'm not seeing it. I'm not sure. I didn't bring my boots along because I heard something. Yeah, I didn't bring my boots along because I said it was very hard getting down here to begin with. You can see how flooded it is. It's really not easy to get at. Huh. Yeah, I wish I could get closer, but there's really no way in there. I said without boots or an ATV, you're not going to get in there. But yeah, this is the old railroad bed. This runs right down this valley. It's kind of like west. And as I said, I drove down here years ago. Oh, I know what's making that noise now. It scared me at first. Those freaking beer cans are expanding from the sunlight hitting them. They're creaking. Oh, there's an easy way up. Yeah, that's the way I got to get back. Right there. But, yeah, this is it. This is the old lofty tunnel, north side. I guess that'll about do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. Please subscribe. We'll see you all again later. Bye-bye.